You got it all the way down, dude. Hey, back. Open up. Hey, give me my you want to go. Oh! Get down, dude. What are your distance?
Hey, stand by.
Hook, distance.
Hey, hook, hold up, safe. Smith, get there.
Good shot on this. No.
Hey, Jesus, come back. I'm working on it.
That building, right? That's only like 100
Hey,
meters.
distance direction.
That's like directly that way, bro. That's a good one. I don't have a RPG. Hey, kind of birds you get in
Yeah, I'm trying to get a grid right now.
Yeah, corner of the building.
88996573. How copy? 8. Hey, shit, shoot me another from there, dude.
All right. Shot right at the corner of that building? Yeah. I just like, you gotta be rounding about.
Yeah. I've got to hold that shit.
Right over your head. You're not gonna fight over your legs. Hey, sir. Hey, that hit.
Hey, Tony, stand by for second grid on the roof.
Down.
We got Oak.
Ready?
We got no more movement over there, sir.
On that building?
Coming in.
Hey, Gunny, we're no longer taking fire from the building to our west here. Oh, excuse me, sir.
There's all egress now. All right.
Notice right now I'm looking
Hey,
at.
how many 203s and guns we need up here? Down, down, down.
I can't really tell at which yard line they're moving on.
Yep. Hey, you see him? They're still looking at us.
Throw a grenade in there.
That's next door.
Pound over. Well, all right. They're tossing from the canal one over, and they're not making it to us. Tossing back.
Yeah.
You missed.
Hey, 203 up.
Hello.
Heads up.
Alright, I got one.
Clear hot.
Alright. Stand by for shot.
Stand by for shot.
Faster shooting spotted.
What do you got?
Ow.
I got you, trick.
I had 3 in my sights. 2 went running the opposite direction where they came in.
Yeah, that thing's loud apparently. Okay, I thought you were a sniper.
I think I got one of them, sir. Guy on a moped moving east to west at about 800. You'll catch him on that on the right side in a couple seconds. There he goes.
Talking about the moped?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, don't engage that. Now, if dude starts getting off the moped and then turning the tree line, definitely good.
Moped, maybe 500 meters out.
We got it.
See the penis-shaped door right in front of us? If you go right behind that, that's where he is.
Yeah.